everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, your go-to place for quick tech guides, troubleshooting tips and social media help. In today's video, we are answering a question a lot of Facebook users ask. Can you see who viewed your Facebook profile on mobile? Let's go through it step by step and clear up the confusion. First, open your Facebook app on your phone. I am opening on my Android. You can do the same steps in your iPhone too. Then tap the three-line menu icon given at the top right. From there, tap your profile icon at the top left to open your profile page. To see all of that information, we need to switch the profile over the professional mode. So once you are on your profile, you can see the three dots right here. Just tap on that. This opens your profile setting. Scroll down and you will be able to see turn on professional mode. You can update your Facebook app if you don't see that option. So if you haven't enabled it yet, you can turn it on here. Tap turn on professional mode and follow the prompts. This feature mainly gives creator access to analytics, insights and extra profile tools. After enabling it, go back to your profile. Tap professional dashboard on your profile. On there you can see performance and it shows your followers of the last 28 days. Click on see more insights. It will show you different insights. You can click on see all and you will be able to see who you have reached with your post. You may see data like profile visits reached or engagement stats. Facebook does not show the names of people who visited your profile. You only get numbers or analytics, not specific viewers. Also, any third-party app claiming to reveal profile viewers is usually unreliable or risky, so avoid those. So that's the real way to check Facebook profile activity on mobile. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Get Assist for more tech tips, social media tricks and quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.